What about anti-vax?
Nice.
Today is Passover. We are going to pop up in Gigi's house to celebrate.
Passover is a holiday where the Jewish people got out of Egypt with God's help
And Moses.
and Moses' help, and found the promised land, and we celebrate freedom. We eat traditional foods. There is matzah, which is bread that didn't really like rise because back in the day the Israelites didn't have time for the bread to rise, so traditionally you break it like that, flat. Shai, you ready for some matzah?
Nice.
Traditionally, you go to the matriarch or the patriarch's house to have the seder there. And I'm bringing homemade matzah toffee to sweeten up an intense conversation that we have to have. Alex and I have been discussing moving to Israel, and my parents don't know yet. I've been too scared to tell them, but our trip is coming very quickly, and I need to tell them, but I need Alex to be there with me.
So basically, I'm gonna tell you.
I just need to make sure that I have a walk-in closet, and I
Yeah.
think that's a big priority.
We live in Tel Aviv, we're not gonna have space for ourselves to stay.
I
Your walking
know
closet
it
is gonna be under your bed. Your bed is all your clothes. If you're walking there,
I'm gonna have a
you should
small
have.
closet. Where are you gonna put your stuff?
I'll find space, don't worry, put it on the roof.
Alex and I agree that it's important for our kids to experience where Abba's from, understand the culture, but it's a complete change. It's not moving to a different state where you still understand American culture, then moving around the world to a completely different culture.
What is this?
A belly.
What is
What
this?
is this?
What is this? They gotta be out of their minds.
3 under 3.
3 under 3. He needs to keep it in his pants. And she needs to keep her legs closed.
Ready? Okay, let's finish some of these. Look what you have in here. Look at all those veggies.
Getting like crammed in here, right? We're gonna have a third one. We need a bigger table. I think the next place that we move to
Should be closer to here.
Alex?
It's easier for us to bake.
Hold on, hold on.
Well, you're somewhere in the middle.
It's a lot easier for
Brady, why is there gum on the floor?
I was just spitting out some.
Okay, you can't leave gum on the floor.
Sorry, Mom.
We're thinking about going to Israel.
This is going in the microwave until you finish it.
Alright.
Overall, what do you think for the kids to grow in Israel for about 5-6 years?
No, I think it's awful.
Why?
Why?
Because I'm not gonna be part of it for all
Not
those
for
years.
you, for the kids.
What man would ask his wife and children to do this?
It makes no sense. Do I wanna see them go in
Yeah.
that forever way? Absolutely not.
This is one of the reasons I didn't want to stay home in Israel. Because Israelis always seem to.
What do you think about doing over there?
Have you spoken to him yet, Your Honor? I know. I did. All rise. Return Saturday, September 16th at 9 Central on OWN. Duluth Trading Company was born from generations who showed us that the only way to live life is to live it hands-on. Duluth Trading. Take on life with your own 2 hands. Ready? Go.
A truck is a tool, but a Ram is life. It's the let's load up the ATV's life. The my kids play way too many sports life. But let's find a secret spot to fish life. Nice. Discover how Ram powers all the lives you live during Ram Power Days.
During rent?
There's a story in every piece of land. Run with us on a John Deere Gator XUV and start telling yours.
From starting strong to it's been a week. So many ways to save. Life ready. Life happy. That's 365 by Whole Foods Market. What's Power Crunch? Just a high protein, low build, delicious, wafer crisp craving. Power Crunch. Protein worth craving. And try Power Crunch Kids.
We're putting cookie makers to the test.
China fighting challenges. Twist you scared.
Maggot.
Halloween cookies like you've never seen.
Watch it if you dare.
September 25th at 10 on Food Network.
I'm sure you saw all the news.
Is that for real? Also, always talking about the wind.
So much love in your chance. New episode Saturday, September 16, 8, 7 Central.
So you're gonna leave a good job, and you're gonna go across the world, no job, and then you're gonna come back and not have a job.
It's not like we're rerouting because we haven't really rooted anywhere yet.
Are you going just to make him happy? Because this is something that will make him happy. And I can only hope when they go, he's the one that says, what were we thinking? Let's go back. How do you say you're gonna come back to the United States? You're gonna say, well, now we have roots. We don't wanna move
And
back.
Shai, you've made all these friends, and now we're gonna uplift you and move you back across the ocean.
I've always said how lucky I am that I'm not the grandparent that lives an ocean away, but apparently I am gonna experience that, and I didn't want to be those grandparents.
Really, I could see in their faces how upset it made them. They're super upset. They're trying to bring up like everything is fair game at this point, basically. Like they're just trying to tell you that it's bad. That's it. No matter how they can twist it, they'll try to.
They could care less about us. They straight up are like, what about the kids? Like, you're gonna take our grandkids away from us? We're in a position that regardless, somebody's gonna get upset. Somebody's gonna be upset, whether it's his parents or you guys or even us.
It's not set in stone. It's not happening tomorrow, but that's what we're thinking right now.
Well, I think one of you isn't thinking. I think you're both not thinking. I think you don't realize how lucky you are
We do.
to live here and have the life you have.
But it's not like,
It's not always about, it's harder, but it's not third world country where
yeah.
you
It's
don't
not
have
like a
anything, you
hard
have
life, like
everything.
you're moving to,
It's Israel.
Yeah, I don't really understand why we're doing this today.
You know, there's so many things I can say and so many things going through my head, but I know that if I say anything right now, Castro will be over and we won't talk
Then,
about it.
Mommy, can you put my sunglasses in your
and it's
purse?
for you guys to figure out.
I'm not
And when
going
you tell
anywhere.
me no.
I just want you
My
to.
mom thinks that South Florida is like the
No,
mecca
don't put
of
anything on my
places.
purse
She
right now.
thinks it's true. We live in paradise, but not everybody enjoys it.
We just want more of the life and we want to do more things.
There was evening and there was morning. On the sixth day, the heavens and the earth and all the hosts were completed. Thank God for creating wine. Drink the wine.
With this reaction from her parents being so over the top and so negative, not even thinking for a second about anything good, I'm getting a little nervous about this trip. Because with them there, that's all they're gonna do.
so there's a rumor that you can't get pregnant when you're breastfeeding. Hi, baby. It's not true. That's exactly how I feel.
And take him, so, and now,
We're very tired already. To have one more, we're really gonna be outnumbered.
What is this?
A belly. Alex and I have been discussing moving to Israel, and my parents don't know yet. I've been too scared to tell them. Alex, you want to tell?
What news do you have?
we're thinking about going to Israel.
They're gonna be out of their minds.
I think you're both not thinking.
I'm I'm Alex, and this is my baby mama, Lauren.
Baby's mama. We met in Israel.
Lauren approached me first.
If you would have told me then that I was gonna marry him, I would have laughed in your face. But a year and a half later, Alex moved to Florida. And now we have 2 kids under 2.
We already stretched pretty thin.
I wish I was thin. But now we're pregnant again. It was not planned, very unexpected, and it's very much the last one.
For now, it's the very much
It's
last one.
definitely the last one.
Shaky, wave like that. What are you doing? Ooh.
Wow, let's go.
So during the Passover get-together, Lauren kind of made me tell her parents about potentially moving to Israel completely. They were like really upset that they're gonna lose out on the kids.
And thinking about it, to have my parents come with us to Israel in about 2 weeks kind of makes me nervous.
Shaky.
Whoa.
Okay, buddy. Boat. Today I have a super fun day with Shai. I'm taking to his first soccer practice. Gonna kick the ball, Shai?
Yes, me too. We're gonna kick the ball.
Soccer is my favorite sport. I used to play as a kid. It's very popular in Israel, and I think if Shai learns soccer and we move there, it will be very good for him.
There we go, Shai. How's it going?
Good. This guy's ready to go.
Awesome, I'm
Hey, Alex, good
Nice
to
to
see
meet
you.
you, Alex. And who do we have here?
Meet your coach, huh? This is Coach Diego, Shai. At home, I have a bunch of soccer balls, but he always picks them up with his hands. Shai, come. So I'm hoping this, the coach can train him, because that's what he does, and teach him better than I can. No, okay, nobody.
Who can put one foot on top of the ball like this? Oh! How about sitting on your ball like this? There we go! And one last time, with your belly, like this. With your belly, Shai. With your belly. Good job. Excellent, guys.
The first soccer practice was very fun. I think Shai enjoyed it too. And I'm excited to get him more involved in sports as he, grows.
Shai, does mommy look pretty or what? We gonna take pictures today?
You remember last time we took pictures for his birthday?
Uh-huh.
He freaking hated it.
Yeah, but that was like a year ago already. He's basically an adult. Last year, Shai tried modeling. It didn't go over so well, but he's a little bit older now. His second birthday is next week, so I figured why not give it another shot.
Look, he's hiding. He doesn't want to take no pictures, Lauren.
Shai, do you want to model? Do you want to be a model? Yes.
Oh,
Thank
no.
you. Thank you. He said it himself. He wants to model, so that's what we're doing. The idea came from the fact that I did a lot of kid modeling when I was younger, and I'm biased, but I think we've got some very cute kids. So why not try momager?
What is it?
A momager is like,
Manager.
it's a momager. Yeah. I'll pick out some outfits. I need something that says I'm cute, but like not trying too hard.
What about
I'm gonna get to your outfit.
I'm not in the pictures.
I think when you're there and you see us having fun
I'm not
taking
in the
pictures,
pictures.
you're gonna want to take a few pictures. Come, let's pick out a pretty color for Abba, okay?
I grew up very different from Lauren. For us, nobody even thought about modeling when I was a kid. But once I moved here to the States, Lauren wanted me to model, and I tried one time. It did not work out for me. I hated it. It was weird.
I need more sexual face. All right, just give me your best.
Yeah. I don't know. No, my modeling career stopped after that one visit.
But I feel like this is such
But
an
she doesn't want to
opportunity.
give up, so she's trying to put our kids in there.
Yes, why not? They're so cute. I can't not give it a try.
Alright, so a quick photo shoot. Nothing crazy. We didn't bring many outfits either, like 1 or 2 for Shai, right?
Yeah, or like 6. I think I need to go to the bathroom.
Uh-oh.
It hurts. It hurts.
Okay, we go.
That's
Wendy's?
fine. You going in?
Okay. Uh-oh, there's no right turn. Should window.
Make the turn.
Okay, honey bunny. Oh, okay. You go, baby. You go.
Why is it not open?
Yeah, get in.
It really hurts though.
I'm going. I don't know what's happening. Wait. This way? Or
Okay,
next?
so turn in here. Just turn in here and you can go to the left. I have an overactive bladder to begin with, but I'm at that point where I will cough or sneeze and like goes out. I have to wear some of the kids' diapers. Like it's really unenjoyable. Like I'm not gonna pee in the bed. It is a whole poem.
What are you saying so much?
Talking about my bladder. When you experience it, then you can talk about it. Thank you. Nightmare.
You're okay? You better?
I feel a little lighter.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, which is good for the photos.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Ooh, what is this, Shy? Alex, it's nice to meet you, Shy.
Cutie Shy. Hi.
Hi, Shy.
I'm Lauren. Nice to meet you. Are we gonna take pictures?
When you guys are ready, we can just stop playing around and you guys stand behind me and we can just capture it and let's keep it natural.
Yeah. All right. These hit those terrible twos. I've got two boys and we don't know what this one is. Shy entered the terrible two phase when he was born.
He's not gonna act on cue. He's not gonna listen to nobody.
He's so you.
The
It's not even
second,
funny.
I don't think he's gonna be a good model. He's gonna do his own thing.
Father and son. Oh, we got one or two little cutie shots. Loving that little smile. Is it half a smile? Give me that smile, don't go. Where are you going? You wanna give it to me? Oh, the smile's coming out.
Where's the belly?
Yeah.
Shy. Put your hand here and start press.
We have a few good shots of Shy, but he started to have a little bit of a meltdown and it's not really going how I would hope, but
Going just as planned.
Here we go.
We don't love it. No demo Renault is totally the way to go. You can stick to the original floor plan. We touch no walls. Oh, wow.
no demo Renault. Season premiere Thursday at 9 on HGTV.
Get set for fall with everyday style and everyday savings.
Having triplets is amazing.
So we switched to the bargain detergent, but we ended up using 3 times as much, and the clothes still weren't as clean as with Tide.
So we're back with Tide, and the clothes are clean again.
Do 3 times the laundry and get a Tide clean.
It's got to be Tide.
Oh, I love that skill. What if it's non-stick, though?
You don't have to wonder. I'll show you.
Stone, what are you doing here?
Proving it. Because at HSN, you don't just shop your favorite products, we demo them for you. You can pick them. And our demos are online, so you can easily window shop anytime, anywhere. Only at HSN and hsn.com.